The visual that's going super viral. This is from the cricket pitch this time from Australia, where the India-Australia Test match presently is on. Look at this. Virat Kohli, after being dismissed in India's first innings of the MCG, was booed by a part of the crowd as he was walking back to the pavilion. Now, initially he did not take the reaction and did not pay heed to it, but something happened. He stops and then returns, ensures that he looks at the members of the crowd who were clearly booing him and saying what appeared to be some inappropriate words, addresses them, and then it was some members of the security likely who decide to tell him to head back. So this clearly has been, and I'll take Nitin Srivastava on that, a controversial period when it comes to Virat Kohli. Nitin, can you tell us more about what happened, what were the details, and eventually was the security able to take him back to the pavilion?
Well, Pooja, CG, 2 days and 2 incidents of Virat Kohli. On day 1, we saw that the shoulder bumping with Sam, and on day 2, he was seen in a viral video, which is clearly, visible that Virat Kohli was not really happy when he was, walking off the ground, going to the pavilion. We can see the fans are booing Virat Kohli. As of now, because India is also not performing really well in this test match, India is still trailing, behind Australia, and then trying to perform, to get some sort of runs and to save this test match. I think it's a frustration of Virat Kohli because his performance, as an individual, as a batter, is not up to the mark, and also the kind of performance he was actually expecting in Australia is not able to do that as of now. We have seen Virat Kohli's only 100. After that, there is not any impressive innings by him. But it is an instigation and it is a reaction what Virat Kohli did yesterday with Sam. I think fans are not really happy, especially the Aussie fans.
Very interesting. Nitin, clearly, and all our colleagues there are tracking not just the match this time, but the surround sound and the controversies around as well. What do you make of this video? Should Virat Kohli have responded, reacted in this way, or should have ignored it? Or importantly, what about the crowd there in Australia this time?